Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be learning the word the. It's a very common word that we see all the time, especially in books. You'll notice it in sentences almost everywhere. So it's a great word to know. Let's learn how to spell and write the word the together. TTC family, are you ready? Go ahead and grab your paper and a pencil and let's get started. So the word the has 3 letters and those letters are T, H, E. And T, H, E spells the word the. So now I want you guys to spell the word the with me on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. T-H-E spells the word the. Great job. So now we're going to move on and now write the word the. So the first letter in the is T. Our second letter is H. And our third letter is E. And T-H-E spells the word the. So now we're going to write the word the again. Our first letter is T. After T, we have H. After H, we have E. And T-H-E spells the word the. So now we're going to write the word the one more time, but this time we're going to use lowercase t. So the first letter is still T, but this time we're using lowercase t. Our second letter is H. And then TTC family, what's our last letter in the word the? Nice job. Our last letter is E. And T-H-E spells the word the. Awesome job, friends. So now we're going to play a little game called Word Scramble. So how we play is Miss T, me, I'm going to scramble up the letters, and then you guys have to write the word the correct way. So I'm going to start. I'm going to scramble up the letters, but I want you guys to close your eyes, and I don't want you to peek. So eyes closed. I'll tell you when to open them. So I'm going to scramble up these letters. Okay, TTC family, open your eyes. All right, so you see we have H-T-E. And H-T-E doesn't spell the word the. How do we spell the word the correct way? I'm going to give you guys a few seconds to go ahead and write the word the correct way on your paper. Okay, so now I want you guys to spell the word the out loud, and I'm going to write it down. So our first letter is, nice, our first letter is T. What's the second letter? The second letter is H. Nice job, guys. And then what's our third and last letter? Awesome job, E. And T-H-E spells what word, friends? Correct. T-H-E spells the word the. You guys did an amazing job today. I want you to pat yourself on the back. All right, TTC family, bye, and I will see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.